Hello, hello, hello. Hello to you. Good morning and good day wherever you are. Today I'm on my farm once again, and today it is turnip harvest, and I'm so excited about today to see the turnips that I will be harvesting. So without any further delay, let's go and get them. Right here I have nice pumpkin there, and I'm coming up on the turnips. Beautiful. Now this is what I have harvested already. Looking lovely. Right here, they are looking so big and nice. Look at this. Wonderful things going on here on the farm, my people. It's my turnip harvest. I'm coming up right here. There's another one. Nice. And you can also steam the leaves of the turnip like callaloo, and they're excellent for your high blood pressure as well. We have a beautiful one here as well. Big and nice. Wonderful things going on here on the farm, my people. You gotta remember to plant your own. This is my own. Lovely, lovely. You can also mix the turnip leaves with cabbage and your callaloo. Wonderful, wonderful things. Excellent leaves to include in your diet. Great benefits. Now look at this one. This is the biggest turnip that I've seen from morning. Huge. Man, thank God for a great harvest. Some people love turnips. It's an excellent vegetable to include in your diet. This one is so lovely, and this is also good for cough. You can mix your turnip with your honey and garlic. This is excellent for cough, congestion. Makes an excellent cough medicine. So stay tuned and stay connected until the next video. Adios.